What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we got a 2005 Ford F-150, and I'm gonna show you how to swap this radio out. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things that we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. Now, I can't really remember if I've posted one of these before, so since I can't remember, you're gonna get it again whether I've done it or not. So we're gonna go right here, pop that clip, do the same thing on this side, go right here, pop that clip, and then you could probably do the rest with your hand. Don't worry about it, we're just gonna pop that, and now, yeah, let's just use the panel removal tool the whole way. Pop, boom. Now, good thing about the F-150 is that we don't have to take that thing apart. There's the airbag, there's the AC controls, and we're not even worried about it because we got 4.7 mils, and guess what? That radio's gonna come out. And now that we have those 4.7 mils out, we pull this out. Then we're gonna detach our harness. And just like that, we have that radio out. Now let's get over here to the bench and get our dash prep. Y'all, so we're over here on the bench. You want to take the dash kit, comes with 3 pieces, and don't worry about it because I will actually link all this stuff in the description for you guys. This right here, the R, goes on the right side of the dash kit, and what you want to do is you want to put those inside of there and then just kind of clip it like that. Try it again with the left one hand so y'all can see. This piece goes inside here. All right, and then once it goes inside there like that, snaps, goes like that. Then you want to put it over the radio. After you put it over the radio, we're gonna have 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left. All right, so these are the deck screws that came with the radio. We got 2 on the right, 2 on the left. We got that thing looking flush. Now on the back side, we are not gonna be using these mounting brackets. We're gonna be using the front ones. So we just basically need to cut these off of both sides. I don't use anything very special, just some cutters. Alright guys, so we got those things cut. We are back inside the car and we have everything wired up. Now, if this is your first time tuning in, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, I like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point on this channel. No fluff, because I have over 200 different radio removal and install videos, and if I go over the wiring each and every single time, it'll just take too much time. It'll add too much time to this video. So to save time, I made one video showing you guys how to wire up a radio. I go over different type of connections, what these individual wire colors mean, and all that good type of stuff. That link is in the description. Cards in the corner. Yes, every car is different, but as long as you get the harness, don't cut that, and you know what these aftermarket wire colors are, you're going to be good to go. If you're a Patreon supporter, then I actually show you, I go a little bit more in depth, like I will be showing all my Patreons what the steering wheel control wire colors are for this vehicle, and any other type of vehicle you may be working on. I give you personal one-on-one training. That link is in the description if you want to be a furthermore supporter as well. Other than that, let's get this thing pushed back into this little dash cavity and see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Alright y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. We got the steering wheel controls working, volume up, down, changing the station, and going through the sources like that. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links in the description if you guys want to put this stuff in yourself, and the Patreon links are in the description if you guys want to be a furthermore supporter of the channel. We also got the USB down here. I will link that description on what this thing does, so you can use your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your radio by replacing that cigarette lighter that you don't use anyway. Other than that, this your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.